A lot of people are asking me, is Facebook monetization over, just because they got set up and decided to sign up and there is no form to fill, or they will tell them that in-stream ad is paused, right? So that's the reason why I'm making this video, to explain to you guys what is currently going on concerning Facebook monetization. So you're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Mazimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Right, so I have been getting so many messages from people, even some comments on YouTube, concerning in-stream ad, right? So, and that's the reason why we are making this video. So according to this person said, boss, please, I got the Facebook monetization message on my dashboard. So I clicked to set up, but it is paused. When I click set up, it didn't show me where to fill my info. Rather, it shows learn more. What could be that? So according to this second person said, please, I got the monetization setup on in-stream ad from Facebook, but when I click on setup, it won't display where to fill my details, but rather showing in-stream ad monetization application are paused, and included a video beneath the message. What could that mean? So I'm going to be reading a screenshot that will actually explain this people's question, right? So according to this screenshot right here, it stated, as of October 4, 2024, we will no longer be accepting application for in-stream ad on Facebook because we are building simplified creator monetization experience, right? So according to what Facebook stated in this screenshot, Facebook said that they are no longer going to be accepting application for in-stream ad after 4th October. All right, and 4th October have passed, so it actually means that they are no longer accepting application for in-stream ad. And the reason why they are doing this is because they created a new monetization tool they called creator monetization. You can see in the screenshot, this is how it looked like when you get the invitation, this is how it looked like, right? So this creator monetization enables you to earn from in-stream ad, add some real bonus and other monetization tools, right? So it actually means that you can no longer apply for in-stream ad alone, and you can no longer apply for anything alone. So what they are going to show you is only this creator monetization, and once it comes out, you will set it up, and once you set it up, you'll be able to earn from all these other monetization formats. So, and this particular creator monetization is strictly by invitation. All right, it's not something that you have criteria to meet up with. You just need to keep posting content until Facebook invites you. Facebook is currently inviting a lot of people to this particular program. They have invited millions of people and currently inviting more millions of people to this particular program. So what I'm trying to say is that if you're among the people currently getting this in-stream ad set up, you shouldn't worry. There is nothing wrong with you. So all you need to do is for you to keep on posting original content, and stay consistent. They will definitely going to invite you to the new monetization program. So the only way I have issue with Facebook is that after telling people that you are no longer going to be accepting application, why still tell them to set up? Why still sending them set up? Right? So that's the only place I don't understand why Facebook is doing this. But the only thing I want you guys to know is that I want you to understand that you did not do anything wrong. You just need to keep on posting. Ignore that. If you want to keep on trying to sign up, you can keep on trying, but I will advise you to ignore that and just keep on posting. All right, and once you keep on posting, they will definitely going to invite you to the other monetization program. So Facebook monetization is currently changing. There is no more criteria. It's strictly by invitation now, and we are still hoping to see what they are going to do for us in 2025, because they say it will be strictly by invitation from now to 2025. So when we get to 2025, we'll get to know whatever they want to do. If they are going to bring out a new form of criteria that you need to reach for you to be invited, or if they are still going to continue this way. So what I want to tell you guys is that you are not doing anything wrong. If you don't panic, just keep posting. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all. And if you are new in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.